Hi everyone, so in this video we will learn how you can verify if a variable is array or not using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one button. Let's make it check. We need one h1 element. Let's make it result. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select body element. Text align will be center. Select div element. Display will be inline block. Select the button element. Display will be inline block. Padding will be 10 pixels and 20 pixels. Save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will create one variable in the JavaScript, and on the click of this check button I want to verify if that variable is array or not. And based on the output, I want to show the result here, true or false. Let's go to JavaScript file. Let's select the button first here. It will be btn check. Select the h1 element. Let's make it result. We need one variable, so let's make it user, and let's put some string here, for example Peter. Okay, let's add event listener to the button. Event will be click. This is the handler function. Now there are various ways to identify if a variable is array or not in JavaScript, but I'll show you a very simple approach. So it will go like this: result.innerText, and here we'll make use of isArray method. Okay, and we'll pass the variable here like this: user. If it is true, I want to set the text true. If it is false, I want to set the text false. Now here you can see we are having a string, not an array. Let's go to browser. Click. We are getting false. Let's make it an array. Add Peter like this. Save it. Go to browser. Click. Now we are getting a true. So whenever you want to verify if a variable is array or not, simply make use of this isArray method. Okay. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.